Viruses cause many diseases, from the common cold to more serious infections like COVID, hepatitis, AIDS, Ebola, the flu, and many others. Viruses are infectious agents that are not alive, so they're not made up of any cell, not eukaryotic, not prokaryotic. They are not bacteria. They're much smaller than bacteria and can't survive without a host to infect. They can infect all forms of life, ranging from humans, animals, plants, and even bacteria. Unlike bacteria that can survive and reproduce on their own, viruses are completely dependent on a host to survive and reproduce. Viruses are made up of genetic material, DNA or RNA, surrounded by a protein coat called a capsid. Some viruses also have an envelope or spikes. Viruses are not considered living because they can't reproduce or carry out any metabolic activities on their own. Instead, they rely on us, on host cells, to replicate and produce even more viruses. Once inside a host cell, viruses hijack our cells' machinery to make copies of themselves and spread to other cells. One important distinction between viruses and bacteria is that antibiotics, which are commonly used for bacterial infections, have no effect at all